Good day, Mr. Sunshine here, Clifford T. Mitchem of CrewSWFLsolar. We're here in the fantastic city of Fort Myers, Florida. We're gonna make a new solar homeowner for this homeowner here. We're gonna be putting 11.5 kilowatts of solar power. That is 36 320 watt Hanwha Q cells on this roof. If you're interested in going solar, by all means, comment below, reach out to us on social media, or find us at our website, CrewSWFLsolar.com. Now I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine. The team at Green City Solar right now is putting in the footers. The footers are what are going to attach to the trusses in the roof and hold everything down to the roof. The footers play an integral role in the whole racking system of the solar panels. So what they actually do is, by holding on to the trusses, they should ensure that the system will stay on the roof in the event of 165 plus mile-an-hour winds, which is a Category 5 hurricane. Basically, with these footers down, if anything gets ripped off, the whole roof was going anyway. So right now, the team is actually installing the rails. This is part of our Iron Ridge racking system. The rails actually hold the panels down to the footers to ensure that they all stay secured. Now on the rails, they actually have spring-loaded jumpers that have a bolt inside them that screw down to hold the panel in place. This way it allows a little flex and give as wind loading is taken in, and it doesn't add any extra forces to get the roof to lift up or cause any issue. the team is actually installing the power optimizers from SolarEdge. In the SolarEdge system, the power optimizers allow compensation for shading. This way, if a cloud were to come over any one of the panels, it wouldn't reduce the production of the other panels next to that one that has its production reduced because of the cloud. The key feature in power optimizers is that it allows better transfer of the electricity of the DC electricity that's created by the panel to the AC that the home needs for its general purpose and to run all of its modern conveniences. The solar industry itself is actually moving more towards power optimizers and microinverters. This is because when compared to a string inverter, it allows better tracking of performance within individual panels, and that way people can see if there's any particular issue with a single panel easily compared to having to investigate particular string panels or having to use any other added device outside of this. What we have here is our SolarEdge HD Wave inverter. The inverter converts the DC, or direct current, created by the solar panels into AC, alternating current, which is what's used in the appliances in your home. Refrigerator, washer, dryer, toaster, and everything that you have for your modern conveniences. This right here is our emergency disconnect. Inside this, there will be actually 2 fuses. This will ensure that you don't get any backfeeding from the system and that it can be pulled to make sure the system isn't energized whenever they're doing any service work on it. This right here is the electrical meter. The electrical meter actually tracks how much electricity is actually being used by the home. It's going to be switched out for a bidirectional meter. A bidirectional meter will measure how much power is coming from the solar panels and how much power is used from the grid at night when the sun is down. Hanwha Q cells are a recognized leader in the solar industry. Their performance in their panels is top-notch and a Tier 1 panel. So be sure to make sure that you have Tier 1 panels on your roof. Installation complete. We've installed 36 320 watt Q cell solar panels, making an 11.52 kilowatt system. If you're interested in going solar, by all means, find us on our social media, comment below, or reach out to us on our website, CrewSWFLsolar.com. Now I want you to go forth and spread some sunshine.